everyone, welcome back to PFDAuto. We're going to be working on the 190 again today. Hopefully this wind doesn't kill you and doesn't kill me, but we're going to get underneath the car today. We're going to get everything else unbuttoned. I got the engine hoist, so with a little luck my buddy will show up here today. We can get this engine out and we'll start cleaning the engine bay, prepping it for the new engine. So first things first, we're going to get the car jacked up. I have a block underneath the back tire. Got some jack stands here, and before you ask me, they're Harbor Freight jacks. You know, some people skydive, some people ride motocross. I work on cars with Harbor Freight jacks. What can I tell you? You know, just gives you that rush. So we're gonna go at the subframe here. There's a nice little cross member. We're gonna get it jacked up from there, put some jacks underneath. Probably gonna put some ramps underneath the tires. Don't have to take the wheels off, so that'll give us a little bit more clearance. Once that's done and we're working on the transmission, I'm going to jack up the back so we can put it in neutral, get those wheels spinning so I can get that, well, flex disc, guibo, whatever you want to call it, undone. Then we'll go for the trans mount, engine mounts. I think we should be good. Try to sneak this camera underneath there so you can see what I'm doing. I'm sure it won't be great. I don't have a lot of lighting, but hopefully the next time you see it, there will not be an engine in this engine bay. Okay, header bolts are out. Now this bracket comes off. I'm going to take it off from both sides, and then you can see way back in the back there, there's a couple more bolts. That's where I'm going to pull the rest of the exhaust from. Then it's these two trans mounts here. I'm going to pull the cross member just to make it a little bit easier. Then I need to get underneath here and undo this guy. Luckily, I've already been at this one thing before, and it was sure a bear to get undone. But now I've got some new pieces in there. Should be fairly easy. I'm also going to go ahead, pull this O2 sensor. That way I don't break it. After that, I've got motor mounts on both sides. Just one bolt up through here. You can see fairly new motor mount there. Same with this side. Bolt access under here. Once I get that done, I'm going to pull the ground straps for the engine. I should be able to get this guy up out of here. Well, engine's out. Luckily my buddy Jonathan came over and helped me out. Here he is. See if we can get him in there. Check out his YouTube channel too. I'll put it down at the bottom. This is all done though for today. That's going to be the end of this episode.